What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Venom Sprunki. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw a large half circle for the top half of the head. We'll start over on the left side. Let's bend this up in the middle, go across, and then bend that down towards the right, towards the same height. Now let's curve the bottom of the mouth and pull that up and in towards the center. So we'll start with the left, coming down, bend that up. It's going to curve this across, back down towards the right, round at the bottom, and just pull it up towards the side of the head. Now let's draw in the eyes, leaving a small gap in the center. Let's start with the left side. We're going to bend this in and then up, go to the right, and do the same thing. Now from here, we're just going to bend this down and out towards the top of the eyes. We're going to go up and then out. Let's curl this up towards a point, going up and then in. Now I want to work our way around the outside of the eyes, starting from the top point, going around. Now I'm just going to bend this in and then down towards the bottom. Let's do the same thing on the right, going around, just following the curve of the head. Bend this in and up, and then down towards that point. Let's layer the teeth underneath the head. Starting in the center, we're going to bend this down and out towards the left, bend this out and back up. Let's do the same thing on the right side. Now I want to add those same teeth going out towards the side corners of the mouth. So start with the left side, just working our way out. Let's add one more. Now let's go back to the center and do the same thing on the right. Now let's add that tongue coming around and then up in the middle. We're going to start in between these two teeth, coming down and out towards the right. I'm just going to bend this around across the bottom of the tongue, come in and curl that back up. Let's round out the tip of the tongue, coming down and then bend that out. Now we're going to go all the way over towards the left side. We're going to draw the outside of the tongue, coming down, just tuck that in behind the tip. Now we're going to draw the bottom half of our circle. Let's start from the side, coming down, around and then in behind the tongue, go over towards the right and just tuck that up and then in. Let's trace the mouth along the inside. Let's line the bottom edge of the mouth with some more teeth, starting up here and bend this up and then down. Continue out towards the side. And let's add a few more over on the right. Now I switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of the mouth. And we want to go in between the teeth. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw the side of the body. We'll start over on the left side underneath the head. We're just going to angle this down and then out towards the bottom. Let's move over towards the right underneath the tongue. Angle this down and out towards the same height. And I want to flatten off the bottom with a straight line. Let's add a simplified symbol in the center of the body. We're going to start at the very top in the middle, add a curve, going down and up, bend this around and then down. Now we're going to draw in the legs. We're going to go down and out, go up, and then down towards the side of the body. Now we're going to move down, just trace this going up, and then in towards the side. And we're going to do that 2 more times on either side. Coming in, and then along the bottom, it's going to curve this around and in. And then we'll close off the bottom, and then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Venom Sprunki. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.